This water treatment facility is special to me because I live in the area. Clean water with no taste or no smell. People might take it for granted, but when you realize that all of my kids will be getting water that comes from that facility, then you realize the importance of it. Norconsult is Norway's largest interdisciplinary consultancy firm. We're running 20,000 plus projects every year, trying to raise a bar towards the very edge of what is possible, and we've found that with Unity. On this type of project, there's hundreds of people involved. There is a lot of data and information and different perspectives. With Unity, we are able to consolidate all of that data and jump into that digital space and create our input there. Introducing VR with the Meta Quest 2, you have possibility to immerse yourself with your customer and get the feedback up front before we start building it.
We're building a new facility now to deliver drinking water to a total of about 200,000 citizens. And the Meta Quest 2 allows you to feel that you're in the space before it's actually built.
You are able to give freedom for the customer to experience things that he wants on his own. In the same moment, you can take a look from your point of view and you're able to give feedback and document what is happening while you're there.
So we can sit in our own office, walk through the space together and collaborate in real time. And by that, we have reduced the chance of failures.
All of those little issues, if they are discovered early in the design process, we're able to adjust for them. So that ensures that we're delivering best product possible. With a project like this, you realize how connected we really are. Creating a new facility that will impact the whole city here, you touch thousands of people. All of this carries an impact far greater than saving time or money. This technology gives us opportunity to create better and more efficient ways for people to experience their lives.